Hi, and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and today, this is not a makeup look, this is part of the Take Two series. I know I already did like only one already, but I'm like, why stop at just one? I have a list. And this look is Amethyst. And now I will be honest, Amethyst is one of those looks where I'm like, okay, it's really not that bad. But because of how I was trying a Stay Foundation, which those just don't work for me. They're too oily. My blush was just straight up purple. It did not look good for my skin. I'm just like, yo, that's not good. Let us redo her. And I redid her with new eyeshadows, and I had to say, like, I know this isn't a review for it, but what I tried out of this Berries and Cream palette, oh my god, like, the blend is incredible. They're really nicely pigmented, but they're like at that point where it's like not too pigmented to where it's too hard to blend. Like, I'm gonna go and grab more of her palettes. Like, thank you, Kristen Dominique. Dominique, thank you. Yeah, it is Kristen Dominique, I think. I don't remember. I'm tired. Anyway, I love how this look turned out, and I love it so much more than the original look, just being honest. Because this time I didn't have to use the eyeshadow that I was getting all over down here for the lipstick. And, oh my gosh. I'm just really happy with how this turned out. So, I'm going to stop rambling. If you want to see how I recreated this look, continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. I took care of my eyebrows, primed and set my lids, and I did use Brulee by Wet n Wild since this palette doesn't really have a nice like nude color. I mean, the closest thing it has is Sweet Cream, but that one's very pink. Okay, so I'm going to go into Sweet Cream and use that as my transition shade just to build up just up higher up above the crease. And this is my first time using this palette, and I've been wanting to use it for so long, so here we go. Okay, so probably should have actually used that as my base color because it's lighter than Brulee. Anyway, in that case, I'm going to be good at dipping right into Bittersweet and putting that where I just put Sweet Cream. So I'm going to take a little bit of Sweet Cream, that first shade, that really light one, just to blend out. Because even though I don't need to, I just want this to be real, because this is really blended out by itself. It's really nice. I just want it to be really seamless. Real quickly, taking my Sephora Collection 10 brush just to blend out those two colors. Okay, for only using two colors, I'm really impressed by this palette. Again, Berries and Cream, I never tried anything from Dominique before. I just swatched the metallics in the store and I was like, oh, I need this because it's really smooth and creamy and they're gorgeous. I never actually tested the, oh, I didn't realize, Soft and Sweet. I didn't see that this shade right here is like perfect cream shade. That's on me. I never tried like any of the mattes in store, and I'm like really impressed because they blend out super easily. There's really nice pigmentation, and they're really like nice. Sorry, just side note. Now I'm gonna go into Cherry Juice right here to deepen the outer corner and bring that into the crease. Okay, since these are extremely pigmented, I'm going to go in very lightly with this brush just to deepen this with Blackberry, which is this nice black. I have to say, I really like how these are looking. Okay, so I don't know which eyeshadow I want to put on the lid. I'm thinking I might go with Amethyst or Vivid Amethyst. I'm not sure. Because this one's like really dark and metallic. This one I know is more pearl-like. Honestly, ooh. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of Enchanted by Anastasia and start packing that like right on here to transition from the black into a lighter purple. So now I'm going to take Amethyst and pop that right in here. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna go do, I think I had to do liner with this. It's just calling for liner. Okay. So I think I'm gonna do like a little liner, some mascara, lashes, full face, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so we're back. I'm actually trying, I've been wanting to try it. So this is, I actually tried the Lawless Cielo Deal Loose Setting Powder. And one thing I have to note, it will make you look paler. The only, like, I put it under my eyes, I tried to dust it away, I'm like, okay, this is making me paler, don't want to bake with that. So if you want to try this, it looks very nice, it's setting everything in place, it looks nice, my skin looks really, like, in person it looks like very, like, almost airbrushed, so that's nice. But we're gonna go back to the eyes. I'm living for the shadow, honestly. And like always, I'm gonna do my same thing of where I'm going to take cherry juice and bittersweet, run that under a little bit of sweet cream and blackberry on the outer corner. Just to marry the look together. Okay, so for the waterline today, I'll be taking my Rimmel Wonder Ombre eyeliner in the shade Purple Prism. I'll be taking the purple side, not the pink. Okay, so for inner corner highlight, we're going to be using the brand I don't want to mention anymore, but it has Amethyst. No Bomb Lash Mascara. Again, I've been loving it without. Real quickly, I'm going to take that same eyeliner, add on my little beauty mark. I'm loving how this eye turned out. Okay, on to lipstick. Where's the lipstick? There it is. For lipstick today, I'll be taking the LA Splash. I believe it's one of their Devilishly Divine liquid lipsticks, and this is in the shade Runic. So I'm gonna go set my face with my collab setting mist, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the finished look. After I did, spray my face down, I did add a little bit more highlighter just because I'm crazy. I was like, let me add a little more highlight. Anyway, I love how this look came out, and I'm just really happy with how it came out. I mean, honestly, it's one of those looks where I didn't have to redo it. I just really wanted to because I'm like, I know that foundation was messing me up the day. I felt like I looked terrible. And honestly, it wasn't as bad as, honestly, thinking about it, I'm like, okay, it's not as bad as it really, to me, it looked worse than it was, just because I'm really judgmental about how my looks look. But I'm glad I'm doing this series. Expect a lot more of these soon. I have one for Valentine's Day slash anti-Valentine's Day, so that's going to be coming out soon, I think next week, or maybe later this week, I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm glad I'm doing this series. And so if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't listen to say except thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.